So today we're going to be talking about eliminating bad habits. So first we need to introspect and figure out what are the bad habits that we have. And then when you realize what habits are not supporting you, habits that are holding you back, so then you want to make a conscious effort to say, okay, I'm going to eliminate this from my daily habits. And then you make a conscious effort to put in a new habit in place. So a new action that you're going to take every single day until that becomes ingrained, until it makes a new habit, right? Just like you could get up every morning and you go to brush your teeth. It's like the same thing. You replace some kind of bad habit that you have, and with a new good habit. Keep taking those actions every single day that you want to be doing, and then it becomes a habit and you don't have to think about it so much anymore. And so when you have your habits in place that are supporting you, you're going to be much more efficient in what you're doing, and there's going to be much less distractions. When we have bad habits of, let's say, clicking on certain media posts and then we get distracted from what we're doing, or you have a bad habit, any bad habit that's just distracting you from what you want to do and with the task at hand, whether it's something you want to do later or something that you want to focus on right now. You eliminate those bad habits, put in new good habits, and be much more efficient with the work that you're doing.